Welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can remove your Alexa Echo Dot speaker from your Amazon account. So at first you have to tap on the devices. Of course you have to be in the Amazon Alexa application. Then you have to focus on your devices right here on the upper section of the screen. Then simply choose your Echo Dot speaker. Choose another time, and then you have to scroll down and you will find this option. So go right here and then just confirm by tapping here. And as you can see right now it was removed, and we can easily link this device to another account. Thank you guys.
Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Yeah, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.